Hi book friends, this book is called Elmo's First Book of Colors. Let's learn colors with Elmo. Are you ready? Here we go. Elmo's fur is the color red. There goes Elmo. Just like the hat that sits on his head. Do you see the hat? Right up there. Hi Elmo. What other things do you see that are the color red? Do you see all the red around Elmo? I see the stool and the trash can. And do you know what this is? Yes, an apple. And what's this over here? It's a red door. And there's a red cubby with some lunch and books. And what else do you see that is red? The hat and the jacket. Oh, everything is red, just like Elmo. Cookie is blue from head to toe. And so is the sled that glides through the snow. There goes the sled. What other things do you see that are the color blue, just like Cookie Monster and blue skates? I see a blue sign that says safe to skate. It's frozen. And there's the blue sled and the blue hat. Oh, grab your hat, Bert. And what about the snowman? What is a snowman wearing? A blue scarf, that's right. And there's a bluebird on the snowman's hat. Blue, so beautiful. Oscar the Grouch is as green as can be, just like the leaves on the big shady tree. What other things do you see that are the color green? So there goes Oscar in his trash can. That's where he lives. And there go the green leaves on the tree. I see a green sneaker. Oscar loves old stinky sneakers. And I see a green sign that says, I love trash. I think Oscar wrote that. I see a green can. Uh-oh, that needs to go in there. Needs to go in the can. What else do you see that's green? I see a green stem. Oh, a green park bench where you can sit and relax. There's a green light post. When it gets dark, it turns on. And look at all the green bushes. Oh, I love parks. Yes, there's a lot of green at the park. Big Bird is yellow. There goes Big Bird reading a book. His feathers so bright, just like the boat, the sun, and the kite. What other things do you see that are the color yellow, like Big Bird? Oh, enjoying the little pond, dipping his feet. I see yellow flowers. Do you know the name of this flower? It's a daffodil. And I also see, a yellow fishy jumping out of the water. Butterflies, those are yellow. Oh, so cute. Look at the eyes. And yes, the sun is yellow, the kite and the boat. So many yellow things, such a happy color. Yeah, Elmo's there too, flying the kite. Zoe is orange, and so is her ball. But pink is her favorite color of all. What other things do you see that are the color orange? Like that big ball right there. I see orange sea stars. An orange picnic basket on the towel. I see the orange umbrella for shade, perfect for the beach. And this little crab here looks orange to me too. Just like Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Am I missing something? The orange cup? Yes. But now we're looking for the color pink. Pink is the next color. Oh, I see the big pink towel. Oh, and Zoe does love pink. Look, her sandals are pink. Her outfit is pink and purple right there. What else is pink? Her sand bucket to build castles. Oh, there goes one in the back with a pink seashell. And another one here and here. So much pink. There's even pink on her bracelet down there. It's an anklet. Or is it on her foot? An anklet. Wow! Orange and pink go so good together, don't they? And that's how the story ends. Elmo loves colors, and so do all his friends. And now you do too, right? My favorite color is green and orange. What's your favorite color? Do you know? There's so many. Well, until next time, bye, book friends.